Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making instant oatmeal with fruit on top. Hi guys, welcome back to Laney's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making instant oatmeal. So all you have to do is open up your oatmeal pack, pour it into your cup, get 2/3 of a cup of milk, pour it into your bowl, get a spoon, stir up your oatmeal, once you stir it up, put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. While your oatmeal's cooking, you can get a banana or any kind of fruit that you want, and you want to cut it up in little pieces. After you're done cutting up your banana, go ahead and put it to the side. After your food's done cooking, get a parent to come get it out for you. After your oatmeal's done cooking, this is what it'll look like. Go ahead and grab whatever fruit you chose, and you can just put it in there. And that's how you make oatmeal. See you guys next time on Laney's Kitchen.